My favorite part of the film was getting to just put the hair over my face. I never really let people connect with my eyes, which is kind of opposite of how I am in this character that's sitting in front of you, like I'm very uncomfortable right now, right? Like, because people judge me in a way that they just skip past the part of me being like human, and they stick me as a character all the time, which maybe I presented myself to the world as, but I feel like maybe people will get to actually know me through this film.